In the small town of Taos, New Mexico, some residents have reported hearing a mysterious, low-frequency humming sound for decades. It's a deep, droning noise, often compared to a distant engine. But the strange part? Not everyone can hear it. Scientists have investigated the Taos hum for years, searching for a cause. Some believe it's linked to underground activity, secret military experiments, or low-frequency industrial noise. Others suggest more mysterious explanations, like extraterrestrial signals or a psychological phenomenon. For those who hear it, the hum isn't just a sound, it causes headaches, insomnia, and even distress. Yet, advanced audio equipment has struggled to detect it. Some call it a mass illusion, while others insist it's real. Despite decades of research, the Taos hum remains unexplained. What is causing this strange sound? And why can only certain people hear it?